Can onion oil help with hair growth? If you're new to my channel, and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film we're going to be trying out as well, we're going to be testing out onion oil. We're going to talk about the nutritional value of an onion oil and can it actually help your hair growth, as well as how you're gonna make it. So if you want to find out more about this, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film we're going to be testing out as well, we're going to be talking about onion oil. And me as a professional, I tend to be quite open-minded when it comes to home remedies for hair, because I'm very much like, right, you need to use your L'Oreal or you need to use your Retkin or you need all the good stuff. But I was reading so much about an onion oil and I was like, loads of people nowadays are using onion oil to prevent hair fall and to promote hair growth. And I was quite dubious about all of it and I was like, can it actually work? So I decided to do my own research about it, because to be honest, there isn't much on the internet and there isn't more scientific proof that onion oil can actually help your hair to grow. So I really wanted to read about it, look at the nutritional value of an onion and see can it actually help your hair. So you guys, let's get right into it. First of all, we need to talk about it that onion can actually cause an allergy for people, and I did not know that. I did not know people could be allergic to an onion. So if you're one of those people or know anyone, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, when you're making an onion oil, they recommend to use a red onion. Why? Because red onion is a lot richer in antioxidants. There's a lot of vitamins and minerals that can be found in an onion. Vitamin C is found with an onion that will help to protect the hair from free radicals and stop the hair from aging, which I think is absolutely brilliant. Vitamin C is one of those vitamins that will just protect the hair and keep it youthful and strong. Vitamin B9 is also found in onions, and what vitamin B9 does, it helps the healthy growth of cells. And the next vitamin I'm going to be talking about that is found in an onion is probably the most important one when it comes to hair, and that vitamin is, you swear I was doing a product review, and that vitamin is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 creates red blood cells which carry oxygen and nutrients into hair and scalp. Vitamin B6 is one of those vitamins that will give the hair nutritional value and the oxygen which hair needs for healthy hair growth. However, too much vitamin B6 can cause hair loss, and what I mean by too much is 300 to 500 milligrams of vitamin B6 a day, which I think that's quite a lot of vitamin B6, so I wouldn't really worry about that. There's also potassium found in an onion, and I don't think potassium actually does anything for the hair. Now, let's talk about the most important ingredient found within an onion, and that's dietary sulfur. Dietary sulfur works as an anti-inflammatory and it prepares the scalp for healthy hair growth. Boom, voila, this is exactly what we needed. So like your tea tree, sulfur will work as an anti-inflammatory and it will clean the scalp and prepare the scalp for healthy hair growth. However, there is nothing in an onion as such that will help your hair to grow. Also, dietary sulfur lengthens the anagen stage of the hair growth. And if you don't know much about hair growth, I'm going to link a film just above here that's dedicated to hair growth patterns. Anagen stage is the stage of hair growth where hair grows. So it's one of those stages where your hair grows, and then when the anagen stage is over, the hair falls out. Dietary sulfur will actually lengthen the anagen stage of hair growth. So when it comes to onion oil, from all the nutritional values that I've read about it, the dietary sulfur and vitamin B6 are very, very good for your hair, and especially the sulfur. Because when it comes to hair fall, hair sheds and falls due to short time of anagen stage. So if we can lengthen that up, our hair will actually grow longer and it will stay on our head a lot longer. But when it comes to all the nutritional value, there's nothing in an onion oil that will actually help your hair to grow, if that makes sense. So if you're suffering from alopecia or hair loss, onion oil, in my opinion, will not help your hair to grow back. However, it will prepare the scalp for healthy hair growth and it will lengthen your anagen stage, which to me is brilliant. So you guys, let me present you with the onion oil that I made. And that onion oil is homemade onion oil. So as you can see, this is the onion oil that I made. Let's talk about how you make onion oil. The ingredients you will need are red onion, which is a lot richer in antioxidant than a regular onion. Coconut oil, and I chose the Parachute coconut oil. You will need a frying pan and a sieve. So how do you make an onion oil? First of all, you need to get an onion and chop it up. So what I've done was I chopped up my onion, and once I chopped it all up, I mashed it all together into a paste. So you want kind of like a pasty texture, and you can use anything, like you can use a fork or you can use potato masher, any of those things. Then on your pan, you pour edible coconut oil, and I use Parachute coconut oil because I am a big fan of the Parachute coconut oil, and I've done a full film about it, so I'm going to link it just above there. So you pour that all over your pan. You let that to heat up, and then you pour your onion, and then you let that fry for a few minutes until the onion juice actually comes out of that. Once that comes out of it, take it off the heat, and then you're gonna take your sieve. Put a sieve over like a deep dish, I just use like a bowl, and pour everything over, and then mash the rest of it together. So you want to get all the onion juice out of the onion. I actually mashed it with a potato masher just to really get all that juice out of it. And this is the result that we come out with. So let's smell my homemade onion oil. Lads, it actually smells like dinner. It actually smells like dinner. I don't even know, like fried veg. I don't know. It smells like dinner to me. So what you can actually do is put a bit of essential oil into it just to mask the smell. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put, that's actually rosemary, and I'm just gonna put a few dots on that into it just to mask the smell. Like you could actually put tea tree into it, but I think it will be a lot better because it will be like an extra anti-inflammatory ingredient in it. Right, so let's just swirl that around, and it is quite oily. So let me just smell it, and it smells a lot better. So I've washed my hair previous to filming because I would definitely recommend using that on freshly washed hair. Why? Because the cuticles are open and the product can penetrate better into the scalp. Now we also have coconut oil in it, which also contains loads of antioxidants, and it's going to provide nourishment to the hair. So let's put this oil on my hair and see how it feels. So I'm just going to pour that out slightly, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to dip my fingers into it, and I'm just going to massage that into my scalp. And lads, make sure you really massage that into your scalp. Now, to see full benefits of onion oil, you'd really have to use it for at least 3 months, because like we said, onion oil is going to lengthen your anagen stage, and anagen stage can last for years. I've put the onion oil everywhere, and I've really massaged it in. Now it does feel rather greasy on my hair, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to blow dry my hair, and we're going to see how my hair actually feels when it's blow dried. But now my scalp feels good, like it doesn't feel tingly. It does definitely feel on the oilier side, but it doesn't feel like there's anything on it. So you guys, see you in a few minutes. And we're back, you guys, after blow drying my hair and using homemade onion oil. So what can I tell you? Now my hair feels really greasy on the root. And that doesn't surprise me because my hair is on the finer side, and it doesn't surprise me that it makes my hair feel oily. And we did use very rich natural homemade oils, which are very rich and oily. So what I would recommend in that situation is, if your hair is on the finer side, do it as a pre-cleanser treatment maybe. So apply it to your hair prior to shampooing. But if your hair is on the thicker side, you will definitely be fine if you put it after washing and blow drying. But no, my hair does feel oily, and there is still a smell of onion off my hair, which is quite not nice, which is quite not appealing. But no, as you can see, it does look like. Right, you guys, in conclusion, when it comes to onion oil, do I think it will make your hair grow? No. Do I think it will stop alopecia or hair baldness? No. However, do I think it will help to control hair fall and hair growth? Of course I do. As we know, sulfur is a brilliant ingredient when it comes to lengthening the anagen stage, which is very important for your hair growth. Now, when your hair is fine, I would definitely use onion oil as a pre-cleanser treatment, and if your hair is on the thicker side and it can handle oils, I would use it as a blow drying product for the best result. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful and entertaining. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.